How to sign out of Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can sign out of Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to sign out of Spotify, let's say that you are logged in on the Spotify application and maybe you want to sign out because you want to log into other accounts or for whatever reason that you might want to do it. Once you open up your Spotify app, you can see I'm logged in. To sign out, if you look at the top left, now the layout has changed a bit. You'll find your Spotify profile here. So tap your Spotify profile and go to the option called settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, just scroll down a bit further below until you see this logout button. So just tap the logout option and then you'll be successfully logged out or signed out of Spotify. This way you can sign out of Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.